Hey guys, Sammy's Fighting here again. We're at Nobel Falls, which is on 2J Road. Not 2J, but we're not there yet, but on the way there. Past Gidgegannup. So not too far past Gidgegannup actually, about 5 minutes drive down the road. And as you can see, we've got some warnings here. So water, I think mainly saying it's slippery. Submerged objects, no swimming, which I would question that one, more likely because it's natural, so yeah, I don't think they can do anything about that. No alcohol, no glass, and children must be supervised. Rightio. Alrighty, now look at this beautiful place. I'm out here with my brother Christopher and my dad, and we'll just have a look around. There's Christopher over there. A beautiful waterfall here. Okay, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not going to talk too much more because I just want to take in the sounds of nature. There's my dad's car up there as well, just there. Honda Accord 2006. That's obviously Christopher over there. And my dad's just gone to the toilet, but he's coming back. I'd love to walk across here actually, but I'll have to take my shoes off to walk across. But it'd be nice, get over that other side there. Let me do it. So there you go guys, there's a little tavern over there as well, over the side there, over here, Nobel Falls Tavern. That looks really nice over there too. So yeah, alright guys, so we're actually heading to 2J, and then after 2J we are heading to Gromalling. Beautiful, why not, you know, enjoy life. Explore WA in this time of Corona, which we don't have any in WA, so why not? You know, we can't travel around the world, so travel around your state, travel around. I mean, you don't even have to go to another state. Western Australia is so beautiful. There's just so many things to do and so many things to see. So I'm just going to end it with just a little bit of a real close-up. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always guys, stay beautiful, stay true to yourself, and peace out from Sammy's Fighter.